Yeah, welcome at Lights Park. It's the headquarters of LEICA Camera here in Wetzlar.
很荣幸代表雷总访问位于德国的徕卡总部。现在是产品发布前的关键时刻。
Mobile devices allow now everybody to take pictures.
I think we are extremely closely working together to bring the technology teams, the R&D teams together, developing really groundbreaking and innovative solutions for the mobile space.
In the mobile photography industry, there has never been such a
revolutionary joint R&D cooperation, and the consensus covers every aspect.
Xiaomi and Leica shares the same vision when it comes to photography, and both put a lot of effort into innovation and ensuring high quality.
For Leica, it's always the aim for working with the best possible partners in the world. It was clear that somewhere, somewhen, we will be collaborating with Xiaomi.
We all pay great attention to the truth of people's inner perception. This is what Leica has insisted on for more than 100 years, and it's also what Xiaomi has insisted on as a brand that adheres to technology for people.
Everyone can get the best image out of every scene. You don't have to be a trained photographer, and yet you can still get beautiful, authentic pictures everywhere. And to make this happen, we put all our knowledge of more than 100 years of photography experience into the new Xiaomi smartphone devices.
We have sent over a team of 3 engineers to Beijing, to the Xiaomi campus, that they can closely work together to bring the photography to the next level. The feedback that we are getting from our team in China, it's really worthwhile and useful.
I guess it's about 2 weeks ago when we took our first new test image. The results already look amazing.
The hardware optimization and the software improvement really pays off. The lens has a very high resolution, and the new sensor has a huge dynamic range and very little noise.
With the upcoming fine-tuning, we are pretty confident that we can achieve exactly the authentic and natural look we are aiming for.
Combining Xiaomi's strength with Leica's imaging excellence, I think this will generate big and bold ideas that will definitely shape the future of mobile photography.
We all believe that this cooperation project will be a lifetime partner.
Our goal is to make the camera co-engineered with Leica become the most popular camera in mobile devices. And in July, we'll start to turn things around.